I joined Public Health Club when I first got to know about this. I was so happy because always there has been some sort of motive in me, some sort of in the corner of my mind there's something like I need to help people. I have some sort of that nature. So I was really keen about these things, and the day I got to know, I researched about it, and then I got so much interested about how the world is right now, how can we make it better, and all of these things inspired me. The main motive was to help people and the world, how I can contribute to the country and the world. And the most favorite part has been, I think, being with the people, new people, and trying to just make our country better. If we talk about some Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, we cleaned our school only and the backyard and all of that. So it was really fun to just clean our nation. We are cleaning, right?
So can you share a moment from any of the campaign which stayed with you? Like you went home, you told your mother about it, that it was very fun. So do you have any of those moments?
Yes, I have some sort of that moment. So we started our culture that we're going to every class, and we will do a survey how clean is that and all of that. So I did get to interact a lot of students and all of that. So some were really nice, and I got to interact with one girl. She was so keen on like joining the club also. She was helping me a lot. That was one of the great moments.
Okay, so what is that one health habit or lesson you have learned in the club which you now practice at your home, and which you told your parents about and they also practice at home?
I think I learned that plastic use
Yeah.
should be consumed less, like plastic should be consumed less, because in our school we also implemented this. There is like no plastic rule, no one can bring like plastic lunch boxes or water bottle. So I learned this thing. I was not that conscious before, but after this thing which is implemented to our school, I also became conscious of like using less plastic and all of that.
So I recently got to know that you represented India
Yes.
in WHO WFUNA conference in Geneva. So how was that experience like?
That was really wonderful and so insightful, and a lot of experiences, a lot of things which I didn't knew. I got to know that. So when I first got to know that I'm gonna visit there, so I was so excited. First of all, the thing was that, of course, I'm gonna represent my country. That is a really really big thing for me and all of us, I feel like. So I got to know a lot of things. Like one thing, if I have to share, that how to be so polite and tactful at the same time. If you talk about MUN and all of that, GMWHO, so there is a concept of being the delegacy. So I got to know how can we propose our concepts for the betterment of the world without being so much loud. We can just express it normally, and people will listen it.
Wow. So what did you learn from meeting students from the different countries?
Yeah, I met a lot of students from different countries. So one thing I got to know was about the culture actually of different countries. If I talk about some stereotypes which are about the countries, if we take our neighboring countries like Bhutan and all of that, Nepal, I met a lot of neighboring country people also. So they told me about the culture. We exchanged our what is the differences between our countries. So that was really beautiful to see how diverse is the.
Wow. So has this public health club influenced what you might want to study and or pursue in future?
Yes, actually, when I first went there and after I came from there, I had a really thoughtful conversation with myself about if I want to pursue this, because that was so fun. I got to know a lot of things, and this is a really great opportunity that we are getting to contribute to the betterment of the world. So I thought that I can join WHO, but then after I thought that I should pursue doctor career. That's why.
Okay, so this is my last question to you. So what message would you give to other students who want to start something similar in their own schools, like this public health club?
So I would say it is not important to take big steps. What important is to take a step. If you try to do something from your own, it is fine. You don't have to do something big. Like you may feel like I also felt before that how can I make such changes in the school, but just a little bit of maybe a letter you give to your principal ma'am, or maybe you talk to your class teacher, something like that. I think it will help, and the things will start, and then it will go better.